Here I've got iPhone XS clone, and let me show you how to locate IMEI number on the following device. So we have two methods. Let's start with the first one, the quicker one. Let's open the phone dialer. Then enter a secret code, which is *# 06#. And as you can see, here is your fake IMEI number. So tap on dismiss to go back, and let's go to the home screen. And now let's go to the second method, so we will find IMEI through the settings. So at first open the settings. Then go to general, so it's one above, it's this one, and go to about. So tap on the first icon, scroll down, and here you'll notice your IMEI number and also the serial number of this fake iPhone. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.